Okay, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and as you can see it's all fairly small pieces, but it's got some nice bright colour amongst it. Okay, I've just zoomed in. It's quite deep, it's over an inch, 25mm, 30mm thick layer of opal here. Should cut a lot of little stones. There is no bigger pieces amongst it. There's a little bit of clay still mixed in, like that. But, generally, it's opal of some description, seam opal, and some of it's on black base, like that piece. Other pieces more crystal. Looks like a bit of potch, but there are pieces in here that are crystal, like that piece. And you can see, I'm just scraping it through there. Hundreds of pieces. A bit bigger piece. Green. It's a multicoloured piece. Admittedly it's only small, but it should cut a nice little stone. Anyway, there's a lot of hours of enjoyment there. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.